Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang yung energy update for December 1 to 15, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description. At sa pinned comment, pakicheck na lang information paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Aquarius. Let's see what's coming to you. December 1 to 15 for Aquarius. Aquarius, so yin. This is being open to receiving something. Open ka ngayon. Maaring meron kang gifts na marireceive or can be an idea na marireceive mo, creative idea. It's like you are maaring sensitive ka sa paligid mo ngayon. Mas malakas yung pakiramdam mo. Breathe. Yung iba sa inyo, you will also bring in peace, clarity sa yung situation. Maaring may mga activities ka na gagawin related to meditation, yoga, to center yourself. So I feel like you are receiving psychic energies, or parang yung psychic abilities mo mas lalong lumalakas. Lalo na kung nagme-meditate ka. Yes. It will help you grow your psychic abilities, your instinct, your intuition, especially if you are into the esoteric, no? You're practicing spirituality, you are doing tarot. Oo. A message in a bottle. I feel like meron ka matutuklasan na importanteng dokumento. Dokumento talaga. Pwedeng habang nag-aayos ka ng mga kalat, or 'di ba minsan may mga patong-patong na gamit sa bahay na hindi natin naayos, tapos biglang okay, magde-declutter ako. Ayan, pwedeng meron kang matutuklasan na ganon, na siguro nakalimutan mo na to kung ano man tong dokumento na to, but this is going to be a very important sa sa'yo ngayong first half ng December, or matitrigger niya yung needs mo or kailangan mong asikasuhin. Oo, baka kailangan mo na mag-renew ng passport. Some of you will also receive a message from overseas. Oo, sa ibang bansa. May marireceive ka na message. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa trabaho, or nag-apply ka. Whoa, 3 of Swords. What is the 3 of Swords? 6 of Swords. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, Aquarius, meron kayong kailangang tiisin na tao. Dahil you feel na makakabuti para sa kanya na tiisin mo siya. Oo. Pwedeng iiwas ka sa kanya. Let's say, itong tao na to is, I'm sensing someone na parang dependent sa'yo, no? Nakaasa sa'yo. Pero alam mo kasi na kung ito-tolerate mo yon, hahayaan mo na nakaasa siya sa'yo. Kahit kaya naman niya, hindi niya matututunan na maging independent. And I feel like you're going to give this person a lesson para sa kabutihan rin niya. You have the 8 of Pentacles. So, sa yung career, maaring meron kang minamaster na skill, mas nagpo-focus ka sa iyong trabaho, lalo na kung itong trabaho na to bago lang, o kaya may negosyo ka na pinalalago mo. The Hermit. I think meron ka ngayong ipupursue na project na kahit mag-isa ka lang gagawin mo, Kasi gustong-gusto mo talaga. Let's say you want to start your own business. Pero sana gusto mo kung na merong taong nakasuporta sa'yo dyan or partner mo. But pwedeng hindi kasi available yon or hindi nangyari or somewhere along the way hindi kayo nagkasundo. Pero hindi yun pipigil sa'yo para makapagsimula ng business. So you will still do the business, start the business kahit wala yung taong yon. So this can apply to any endeavor na gusto mong gawin. Pwedeng magta-travel ka. Kaya lang for some reason, itong person na makakasama mo sa pag-travel, hindi kayo nagkaayos, pwedeng nag-away kayo. Pero gusto mo talaga ituloy yung travel, so you will travel solo. Queen of Cups. You're someone who is very open na to the point na some people ay tinetake advantage yung pagiging matulungin mo. And that might break your heart. Na parang feeling mo nandyan lang sila kapag may kailangan sila. At masakit yun, diba? Na kapag ikaw na yung may kailangan, wala na sila. So I think you will give focus muna sa sarili mo. You will love yourself more. Pwedeng i-isolate mo muna yung sarili mo. Alam mo yun, to have your own peace of mind. Ayan o, you want to protect yourself with this shield. I think these are happening now. Ngayon na to nangyayari. You are protecting. You're parang focus ka ngayon sa pag-develop ng sarili mo at ayaw mo na merong makikialam doon. You're going to be very creative or you are already creative. Marami kang mga bagong ideas na ginagawa mo ngayon or you're trying to plan for it kung paano mo magagawa. Magkakaroon ka ng heart-to-heart talk with a friend ngayong first half ng December. And I think this will also help the both of you about your situation. Kailangan open communication. So sa money, career, finances, you have the 5 of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, and the 4 of Wands. Makakabawi ka na sa financial struggle mo. Kung nagkaroon ka ng problema sa pera or sa trabaho or sa business mo. Kasi meron ka ngayong parang bagong source of income na magbabalik ng stability sa iyong finances or sa iyong career. Sa love life, you have the Knight of Pentacles, the 2 of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. Some of you are entering a new relationship. And I think itong relationship na to, hindi naman siya biglaan. Pwedeng na-realize mo na it's time. Pwedeng yung gradually na develop. Let your fears dissolve. I think siguro may mga takot ka rin sa especially sa relationship, no? Kaya hindi ka agad-agad pumasok sa relationship na yan dahil natatakot ka. But I feel like ngayon you are embracing this connection. You are embracing this passionate connection with someone. And some of you, marirealize mo yan the moment na nag-travel kayo or you spend more time together. Unleash your kindest self. Yes. You're being more kind sa sarili mo. Surrender to the divine. Anything na hindi mo kontrolado, isinusuko mo na lang yan lahat, no? And eventually, the universe will find its way to resolve any issues beyond your control. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye.